Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for October 18th through November 1st. For the 18th to the 22nd, we have a ridge that's forecast over the eastern Pacific into the west. And we have a ridge that's forecast over the North Atlantic into the Arctic. And we have an upper low near Hudson Bay that'll have a trough extending into the northern states. And this will result in this cyclonic flow you see across the eastern U.S. Now, energy within this stream will rotate around the southern periphery of the eastern trough and track across the northern states. And you can see here's the first system, and this will bring wintry precipitation across the northern Rockies and northern plains early next week. And I'm here on Sunday. And this causes what we also have a cold front that will push through the northern Rockies and northern plains with more wintry precipitation. You see right there, this is GFS, and we'll look at the European. This only starts out at the beginning of the period here. This is the European FA5H. And this shows precipitation moving through this region here. Now, anomalies behind this system will be about 15 degrees or more below normal. And the ridge in the west will cause hot and dry conditions, temperatures reaching low 100s. And this will lead to the threat of more fires or continuing fires. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for October 23rd to 27th. First, we're going to take a look at the, let me see if I can get it, the MJO. We haven't looked at that in a while. The MJO will be moving out of phase 5 and move into phase 6 or even possibly phase 7. The phase 6 during La Nina years favors Scandinavian blocking, and this means that once the MJO goes into phase 6, you typically see a Scandinavian block occur within the next 24 to 48 hours. As long as the MJO remains in phase 6, which according to some models should for close to up to a week, you end up with Scandinavian blocking, and this usually results in jamming in the circulation and a trough setting up from the northern plains to the northeast. Now, if we look at some of the models here for this period, we're looking at the 23rd to 27th. You see here's our trough, and then we go to the 27th. GFS has it more in the east. Its ensemble has it more to the west, but still in the general location for the phase 6, and then also the European ensemble has it closer to the west, moving to the west. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 12 to 6 degrees or more will be possible mainly in the west. Below normal temperatures are forecast here, and with anomalies of 6 degrees, of at least 6 degrees, are forecast for this region. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Then looking ahead for the period for October 27th through November 1st, the GFS has a more amplified flow with a deep trough here in the east, upper low over the Great Lakes. And you take a look at the other models, it's less. And even this is the NAEFS, has a trough with more influence in the east. So I'm forecasting for this period above normal temperatures for most of the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be near 4 degrees above normal. And then we have near to below normal temperatures for the remainder of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and above normal precipitation forecast for this area, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 18th through November 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.